Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Chichai and this is Chichoy. So, hi guys! What are we doing today?
So we're making cookies and cake. A vanilla cake.
I see. So what are you doing now, Chichoy?
I am mixing up I'm mixing up the cookies. It's already in the garbage and have butter and eggs mixed all together. And look at this.
Ooh, it's like ooey gooey.
It's yummy, right guys?
Yes! How about you, Chichai? What are you making?
A cakes because I have a water and eggs and some oil.
Oreo? Oh, there's an Oreo inside?
Oil.
Okay, that's good. So, keep mixing.
If you wonder why we're doing this, it's because my mom wants me to bake some cookies and vanilla cake.
Got it!
Mine is better.
Yours is better?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. So this is like a cake challenge, right? A cake and cookie challenge. Which one tastes the best and the yummiest? Alright?
And I need to make it, so I need to do this.
Okay, for frosting. Okay. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi guys, we're back. And now, Chicho, what are you doing?
I am putting this in
The dough.
the
Where?
dough on this plate so we can put in the oven and bake it.
Okay. That's good. Doing it great, Chich. It's very sticky, right? But it looks really good. It smells good too.
Where's my circle? Where's the circle?
What are you doing now?
I'm putting what?
The mix?
The mix
Inside where?
inside the pan.
Okay, slowly, okay? You got this, girl.
I know how to do it. I'm so strong.
Okay, I believe ya. You have strong, powerful legs and you have strong, powerful arms. Great job.
It's very hot that you can tell. There we go.
Bye cookie, bye cake. Amber, what are you going to do now?
Making to decorate the cake.
Okay, so what's the color of your frosting?
White.
White? So it's like a white fluffy vanilla cake?
Yes.
Okay, you can start now. Slowly. You done putting frosting on your cake? Yes? Okay, let's see. There you go. I hope it tastes good. You wanna put sprinkles on top? No. Your cookie. Are you ready to taste test the cookie?
Yeah.
Ready?
So,
Get set.
3, 2, wait, you guys pick it, ready? 3, 2, 1.
You should say because you're the one who baked it, right?
Mmm.
How about me, guys? Can I have
You
some?
can eat it. You can eat it. Good.
Is it good, Mommy?
You have to crunch more.
Mmm.
What can you say?
Good. 8 from this lady.
What's your grade out of 10?
8.5 out of 10.
I made it, right? 11 out of 10. That's a good one.
So, describe the cookie. Is it chewy, crunchy?
It's crunchy, has some nice chocolate chips in it.
It is good.
It's nice, and the sweetness is perfectly balanced.
It is good. Good job, Chichoy. I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Yay!
And now we're going to go to Amber's cake. We'll see you in a bit. Are you putting sprinkles now on your cake? What are the color of the sprinkles?
Yeah.
It's different colors. Are you done putting all the sprinkles? That's it?
Not yet. Cake because and I get to try it and I get to taste it.
This is Amber's cake. Hopefully it's good. Okay, the frosting is great. Let me try the cake by itself. Very good.
What do you say, Amber? It's good.
Very good.
Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next vlog.